What's up, YouTube? This your boy Nate, coming at you once again from the Urbanpreneur. Now, in this video, I'm gonna make a quick video about ivueit. Now, I've done videos about ivueit before, a couple of years ago. I have not done any gigs for ivueit in a long time. You guys can go back and watch those videos of my experience working for ivueit. Now, I noticed it's not as busy as it was before. You can see this is the map, Orange County. The gray dots right here means somebody has already booked those gigs. The green dots right here means it's an open assignment. I'm gonna click on that. You see right here, they want you to take a picture of a daycare. The landscape is in Santa Ana. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay. Show more right here. So here you go out, you follow the instructions, you take photos. It gives you the requirements right here. Okay, photos must be straight on and clear. Photos that are blurry taken from inside your vehicle will be rejected. Yeah, so how you want to do photos is you want to get out of your car and you want to make sure you take clear photos. Now, it's pretty straightforward. The information, you submit it in, and then you make a whopping $7. Yeah, a whopping $7. 15 minutes to do. Um, Not much money, not factoring gas and your time doing it. This could take up to 20 to 30 minutes. You do 2 of these, you're making less than minimum wage. This is another issue too. Most of the gigs are spaced out. So if you do one gig for $7, it takes you 15 minutes to do. And then you drive over to the next gig. It might be another 15 minutes away, another 15 minutes. Like I said, you're not really making a lot of money. And they will deny your photos. They did that with me. That's one of the reasons why I stopped. Working for ivueit is they was rejecting a lot of my photos, and my photos were very clear. But guys, go back and watch those old videos that I've done with ivueit. And for the most part, these gigs are taken up. These gigs are all taken up. I mean, how can you really make money at this? It's like $7 here, $9 here. Not many making a lot of money. Here's one open assignment. And Cerritos. Oh, this one for $20. $20 an hour. So it's gonna take you an hour to do this. It's usually gonna go a little longer. It's not really worth it. It's not. So I thought about doing gigs for ivueit to, bring you guys content and give you guys an update on ivueit, but it ain't really popping. ivueit ain't popping like it used to be. It's not. When I was doing it, it was a lot of open assignments. A lot of the assignments were back to back and they were nearby. But now I've been checking on this for I want to say about a few weeks, and it ain't really popping. It's one in Signal Hill. This hour to do it. Yeah. I don't know. To me, it's not worth it. To me, you do better buying and reselling. All right. So that's just a little quick video that, want to bring to you guys about ivueit. You guys in my comments. You guys let me know what you think. It's your boy Nate. I'm out.